Have you ever wondered if you can turn your smartphone into a mobile hotspot? Today, we're diving into the world of mobile hotspots and how they work. Before we get started, let's cover the requirements. You'll need a compatible data plan and ensure your smartphone settings allow hotspot functionality. First, for iOS users, go to Settings, tap on Personal Hotspot, and turn it on. Simple, right? Let's customize your hotspot. Change the network name and set a secure password to keep your connection safe from unwanted users. It's important to manage your data while using a hotspot. Check your usage regularly to avoid any surprises on your bill. Having connectivity issues? Restart your phone or try toggling the hotspot off and on. Don't forget to check your data connection. Always prioritize your safety. Secure your hotspot with a strong password and avoid sharing it in public spaces. Performance can vary greatly depending on your carrier and plan type. Make sure to check with your provider about limitations and speeds. From traveling to remote work, mobile hotspots provide invaluable connectivity, ensuring you stay online no matter where you are. Now that you know how to use your phone as a hotspot, give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.